trains on the meadow go brown, brown, brown. Music is everywhere. Hooks against mailboxes, bong, 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 bong. Bong, 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 bong. Hooks against mailboxes, bong, 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 bong. Music is everywhere. Wind in the pipes goes whoosh, 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 whoosh. Wind in the pipes goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Music is everywhere.
The bell in my cab goes ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. It brings me luck in everything. Music is everywhere.
The trains on the meadow go. Hooks against mailboxes. Wind in the pipes goes.
The bell in my cab goes. Music is everywhere.
Listen and look and you will find, you will find, you will find. Listen and look and you will find, music is everywhere. I sure am feeling unlucky without Percy's bell with me. There's mud and rocks and sharp lands too, so much in my way. Without Percy's bell keeping me safe, will I be okay? I sure am feeling unlucky, 'cause I wasn't as careful as I should be. I found it! I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. I don't need to feel afraid, won't bend or break or fall, because I've got a special bell that takes care of it all. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Caves, monsters, or broken track, I think I'll be okay. This lucky bell sure has a knack for saving every day. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Percy gave this bell to me, I'm lucky he's my friend. So I'll take care of Percy's bell until the very end. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Caves, monsters, a broken track, I think I'll be okay. This lucky bell sure has a knack for saving every day. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Percy gave this bell to me, I'm lucky he's my friend. So I'll take care of Percy's bell until the very end. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me.
Taking letters and packages down the rail. My favorite thing is to deliver the mail. Hey, Percy. You're looking excited today. Just one delivery left. It's a super special party balloon for Sir Topham Hatt. Look! Oh, no! It's getting away. I have to get that back. Come on! Back up! Back up, back up, back up! Go, go, go! I have to get that back! There it is! I got it! I don't got it. Hey! Come back here! We have to get it back, or Sir Topham Hatt's party will be ruined. Follow that seagull!
Well, hello there.
Excuse me, Cranky. Will you lift me up to those gulls?
I suppose so.
Percy, you're scared of heights. What are you doing? I have to deliver all the mail. That means getting my balloon! Ha! Got it! Ah! Let me down! Okay, let's deliver this balloon. Come on, Locamigo. I got you. Sir Topham Hatt, your special party balloon.
Oh, yes, perfect. Thank you. I'll add it to the others.
The others?
There. Lovely. Oh dear. Boys, would you mind?
Follow that Sir Topham Hatt.
Oh, my.
Don't worry, Sir Topham Hatt. We'll get you back to the party.
If you jump out of your hiding place and surprise me, you win. But if I sneak up and surprise you, I win. That's why it's called hide and surprise!
Okay, I'll hide first.
Ready or not, here I come to surprise you. Surprise! Yay, yay, yay!
Surprise! I win! Okay, it's your turn to hide.
Oh, I'm going to hide, all right. Somewhere Percy will never find me.
Ah! Sorry, but it's hide and surprise, remember? I love this game.
Percy will never find me in here.
Surprise! Ah!
He'll never find me here.
Surprise!
Ah! Diesel's undercover.
Surprise! Ah! Surprise!
Ah! Ooh! The perfect hiding place.
Surprise!
Ah! He's not gonna surprise me this time. I'm gonna surprise him.
Chugga chugga woo!